Meaning of flight officer.
Flight officer.
Flight officer.
Flight officer.
Flight officer. A flight officer is a member of an aircraft's crew who assists the pilot in flying the plane. Their responsibilities may include monitoring instruments, controlling communication with air traffic control, and performing pre-flight checks. Flight officers are typically trained and certified professionals with extensive knowledge in aviation and safety procedures. They work alongside the pilot as part of a team to ensure a safe and successful flight experience for passengers. Without flight officers, piloting an aircraft would be far more difficult and dangerous, highlighting the importance of their role in modern aviation.